Hey guys, your girl is officially 20. 2-0.
You're 20?
You're 20? I'm 20. Yeah.
Cute. Oh, yeah, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another year, another birthday haul. I literally can't believe it. I am in my early 20s. Is it socially acceptable to date a 30-year-old yet?
Hey, yo.
The world is my oyster. Just kidding. I'm single. But guys, the whole year I'm 20, I'm counting on myself to stay single. I don't want a boyfriend anymore. I'm off that. I literally am so grateful. My family outdoes themselves every single year. But honestly, my mom and I's love language is gift giving. Like, I love spoiling her for her birthday and she loves doing it back to me. So this year I am so excited to show you everything I got. I'm not trying to brag in any way, obviously. It ain't Christmas though. Wait for the Christmas haul. My birthday was October 27th. It's been a few days, but we're just gonna get straight into it. Starting off strong, every single year I get a birthday card from my lovely grandpa. Happy birthday, Ava. Look at how cute we are. He loves to just give cash. So on this 20th birthday of mine, I got $500, which is actually insane. I am so grateful. Like, I don't even know what to do with this. This year, I literally only asked for clothes and shoes. And if you know me, you know my love for Converse. So I'm making it my mission this year to up my shoe game. Yeah, and not wear Converse wherever I go. They're just like a comfort shoe, okay? Don't judge a girl in her platform Converse. So we're gonna start off with shoes. And this first pair, oh my God, guys. Oh. Yeah, these are literally everything. These are the Adidas like Special. I don't really know how to say that. I have a pink pair, but I just think this brown pair is so fall. These are everything. Love them. So there's that. When I tell you I put genuinely 16 pairs of shoes on my list and just have my mom surprise me, that's what I did. So the next pair my mom got me are a pair of Aloha. I actually just recently discovered these and I love them. Are you ready for this? Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, so cute. I don't have like a pair of white Sambas really, because I like my go-to white shoe are Converse. So I think like a tan whitish shoe, perfect. And the lace, I could see myself styling these so many ways. Okay, another pair of shoes. My grandpa's girlfriend got me these, and they're a pair of Uggs. I love when people get me things that I don't ask for too, because it feels like they're putting thought into it and not just something like off my list. You know what I mean? So Liz picked these out for me at the mall. This isn't something like I would normally go for, but they're like literally an Ugg clog, like a Birkenstock clog, but make them Ugg everything. Yes, like I am so happy she picked these out. I'm obsessed with them. They are a little bit too small though. I'm normally an 8 in Uggs. She got a 7, so I will have to return them for a bigger size. But you can like put them like that too. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these like as an inside shoe or maybe like I could wear them outdoor too. Like, I don't know. We'll have to decide, but I love them. Thank you so much, Liz. And the last pair of shoe I got, another pair of Uggs. You already know. Now these babies I wore religiously for a while, and then they just got trashed, and then I never bought a new pair because why are they low-key so expensive? So the fact that my mom got me these, you know I had to get another pair. You just know. Tried getting the Amazon dupes, didn't compare. Like, I'm sorry, the dupes are just they're not gonna outdo the original. So yeah, now my shoe game's up and we're gonna move on to clothes. Starting off strong is the top I'm wearing. My sister got me this and I think it is so freaking cute. Are we kidding? I think it's from Urban and I love it. I love it. Also from Urban, my mom got me this hat. I'm just trying to up my style, guys, in all different ways. I've never been much of a hat girl. I think it makes my head look weird, but this hat is like, has some oomph to it, if you know what I mean. So it actually looks decent. And I love it. Polka dot, so in brown. You're gonna see a theme here. I'm a big fan of brown and red. Yeah. Because the next thing I got is in fact a brown zip up from Aritzia. Their zip ups fit so good. It's like oversized, like kind of baggy. It's just so good. And brown complements my skin tone. I feel like it's a nice chocolate. This is perfect. Next from Aritzia, I got a workout set. I got these blue biker shorts and they're like shiny too. Like, do you see that? Kind of have a metallic vibe to them. And I love this fabric. It's their glow tone. And then the matching sports bra. You already know Hot Pilates is gonna see me in this. I also got a red workout set. So this is just like their normal butter fabric. I think this cherry red is everything. And they were out of my size in the sports bra, so I asked for a size extra small. And it literally is so tiny. Like, I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I've yet to try it on, but it is cute. It has no logo though. It's not really like meant to be a sports bra, I don't think, but they just were out of that color in every other sports bra. So, and you already know how to get the matching zip up. I don't know, it was just calling, especially as it's getting colder. Going to Pilates. I think Pilates might be a part of my personality at this point. It goes like up to your neck on the zip, which I love. And it's like an athletic material. So like after a workout when I'm all sweaty, because my hyperhidrosis ass sweats buckets, it's gonna be sweat wicking, you know what I mean? The camera just ran out of storage, but we're back. We're moving on to the gift that I bought myself. And this is something that I genuinely needed. Like, didn't want, like, needed. I bought myself the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me tell you, if you're debating if you should get it, let this be your sign, because it is so good. The camera, cute. It is so good. The quality, the zoom in, the video, this has been such an upgrade from my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which was completely shattered in the back, and the battery was dank ass. It would like shut off and go black sometimes, and also wouldn't charge sometimes. I don't know. This was just such a good upgrade. I love it. I think it's literally so good. But since we're in the electronic, what's the word I'm looking for? Category? There we go. Category. My grandpa got me a GoPro. He got me the brand new 13 Black, whatever that means. I don't really know much about cameras, and as a YouTuber I should, but I just get whatever the camera people tell me is best. I needed a new GoPro so bad. As you guys probably know, I live part-time in Hawaii and Seattle, but when I'm in Hawaii, I have a GoPro. It's sitting on my bed actually. It's just so old. The quality is not there anymore. It's also like a 0.5 angle, and I'm like not a big fan of that, so this one is just such a nice upgrade, and the camera is interchangeable, so if I like did want a 0.5 lens, I'd be able to just put it on top of that, but this is just a normal, amazing GoPro, and I'm so excited to jump off cliffs with it. Woo! Moving on, we have some more clothes. I needed a new sweat set so bad, so I asked for a Aritzia one, and I just needed like a gray one. Like, I have so many colored sweat sets, but I needed a good gray because you can mix and match like the sweats or the sweatshirt. So I got their Mega Fit crew neck, and then I got the Mega Fit wide leg sweatpants from Aritzia as well. Next piece of clothing is another brown sweater because I love brown. It's like tan, actually. It's like semi off the shoulder. This is from Urban, I believe, but low-key the fabric kind of gives like it's gonna pill. So I need to try it on, make sure I 100% like it. I think it's so cute. Like, I need more sweaters that like go with more things, and I can style them multiple different ways, you know? And then to add some color into my brown, white, black, and tan wardrobe, I decided I wanted a purple sweater. It was she. And I've been told purple actually looks good on me. It's like a purple off the shoulder. The girl's been talking too much. Purple off the shoulder cuteness. Adorable. And that sweater also low-key gives like it's gonna pill, so we'll have to see. Since we're just so sweatery, I'm also going to New York, guys, for Christmas. I need to have some good ass sweaters, and I need to buy a trench coat too. I got this sweater, another brown one. It's a little button-up cardigan. This is from Zara, and the bottom right here ties in a knot. It's not in a knot right now. Cute. Giving New York. And then imagine with the and then from Jerf Avenue, I got one thing, and I wanna see what I can do with it. I got this like headscarf looking thing. It's satin. You also wear it as a top in Hawaii. Like, I don't know. I just thought it had some potential to it. It says Jerf Avenue on it. I think it's so cute. I love it. I could also tie it in my belt loops. I've done that before with another scarf. Okay, now we're on to the last two things that I got, and that is from Free People Movement. First up are these adorable ass shorts. They're like basketball style shorts, I feel like, you know, and the lace is everything. I got them in a size medium, but I'm thinking I should have got a size large because they look short. Why am I a size large in bottom? But Free People also just runs so small. And to go with it, I got this little Free People tank top, and it's so cute. My brother got me this actually. You know, my mom picked it out, but thanks, brother. My sister actually picked this out. My brother is just my brother, so my mom chose it for him. But so cute. It's adorable. I love the skinny straps too. I just needed more active tanks for like my walks in Hawaii. But yeah, that is everything I got for my 20th birthday. Thank you so much for watching. Bring on the 20s. I love you all so much. I can't wait to bring you guys along for more of my 20th year.